Welcome to the Cardinal Minute with your host and chair of the University of Louisville Department of Medicine, Dr. Kim Williams.
Good morning and welcome to the Cardinal Minute. I'm Dr. Jennifer Koch, Vice Chair of the Department of Medicine at the University of Louisville. We've had a wonderful Grand Rounds presentation this morning by Dr. Usama Gergis. Dr. Gergis, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and what you spoke to us about this morning?
Sure. My name is Usama Gergis. I'm the Chief Division of Transplant and Cell Therapy at Jefferson University at the City of Love, Philadelphia. And today I was very privileged to talk about CAR T for autoimmune diseases. What is that? We called it the second act of CARS. CARS, as everybody knows, is approved for 7 indications in cancer, and the indications are increasing every few months. But in the United States, there are approximately 20 million people with autoimmune diseases. This is a multitude, many folds over cancer. And most autoimmune disease, generalized autoimmune diseases, do not have FDA-approved treatment, so we treat them just like any cancer with autoimmune antibodies and steroids. Huge unmet need, and there are no transformative therapy until very recently. At the Neurology National Meeting in Chicago a month ago, we presented 2 trials with transformative CAR T treatment for myasthenia gravis and stiff person syndrome. And today we talked about their transformative effect in these 2 debilitating diseases. Patients with a follow-up of approximately 1.5 to 2 years were improved. We cannot call them cured yet. Probably we have to wait for a few years. But so far, the effect is phenomenal. No one died less CRS and ICANS than cancer. So it's a slam dunk treatment. I'm very, very excited about this. And I think this is not just for transplant and cell therapy physicians, it's for everybody. We cannot handle the volume in transplant and cell therapy. So everybody, every clinician should be familiar with this transformative therapy, and we're very excited.
Thank you so much. It was a wonderful presentation and gives me a lot of optimism for the future of all the different ways we'll be able to apply CAR T-cell therapy. So I hope everyone will look for the full presentation on ViewMedi, and we'll see you next time on the Cardinal Minute.